In this session, we are going to discuss how to make double dilutions. So let's take an example that if I have a stock concentration of 1000 microgram per ml and I have to double dilute it. So what I am going to do is that I can either make dilutions in various test tubes and say that each of the test tube has 1 ml of the dilute. Okay, 1 ml, 1 ml diluted. So this is the dilutant. And now what happens is if I take 1 ml of this stock and then I incorporate it in this first tube, let's name it second, third, fourth, and fifth. So if I'm going to take the very first tube, uh, and in this tube we are going to take 1 ml of the given stock. So the entire volume is going to be 1 plus 1 and the concentration of the stock will be 1000. So overall it is 1000 by 2, which means 500. So the first tube will have the concentration of 500 microgram per ml. And from this tube, if we are going to take again 1 ml and adding it to the next tube, again the same type of formula will be applied, which means that 500, the which was the concentration of the stock, which is now transferred from first tube to the second tube, is added to a second tube which was having 1 ml of the media or 1 ml of the diluent along with 1 ml of the stock which was added. So it will be 500 by 2, which is 250 microgram per ml. So second tube will be 250 micrograms. Similarly, if you do take 1 ml of the stock to the next one, the concentration will be obviously half, so it will become 125 microgram per ml. And the next tube, if we transfer 1 ml again, it will be 62.5. And from next, it will be 1 ml is transferred over here, so 31.25, and now the remaining 1 ml is discarded. Okay, so now we can see that the first concentration, the concentration of the stock was 1000 microgram per ml, and in first tube when we diluted it, the concentration became 500 microgram per ml, followed by second tube which was 250 microgram per ml, and in third tube we have 125 microgram per ml, fourth 62.5, fifth 31.25. All the concentrations will be in microgram per ml. So in this section we have seen that how from a given stock we can reduce the concentration by half by using the given formula. Overall formula can also be remembered as concentration of stock upon volume of sample or diluent added plus volume of diluent present in tube. Also, if we are performing the double dilution technique, we should also remember that we are reducing the concentration by half or 50%. I hope that this video may have cleared the doubts related to how the concentration can be diluted 50 times or double diluted. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and tune on for more videos. Thank you.